make matters worse, Ralph is starting to howl and is climbing the tree.
Ow!
Ralph is afraid a thunderstorm is coming.
Ralph, please get down from that tree. I only have 1 hour left to get my barometer. No way. I know dogs can climb trees.
Well, this one can't. Every time there's thunder, there's lightning. And lightning won't leave me alone.
Ralph, you've got to stop climbing things when lightning comes.
You don't fool me. You just want your thermometer.
Barometer. And I'm not trying to trick you. No, Ralph. Lightning strikes the tallest objects.
The tallest objects? No.
It's true.
No.
It's true! Oh no, look at the time, my barometer!
Wait, Emma, don't give up. It's time for a little magic.
What do you mean?
I'm going to do my amazing rainbow trick.
Yes, the amazing Ralph the Weather Dog will now perform his famous rainbow magic trick. At the conclusion of this astonishing feat, a rainbow will appear and they will walk right across it to Mr. Bolt's store.
Is this gonna work?
All I have to do is wave my wand and say the right words. Everybody chuck some wood. Doesn't this rainbow look so good?
So, where's Rainbow?
I kind of blew the magic can. It's really hard for me to pronounce. Shortened it. It's all about this woodchuck who did something, blah, blah, blah. Real tongue twister.
Hey, I know that one. It's a piece of cake. Really? Would you give it a try? Sure. Ralph, you do your wand thing, and I'll say the right words. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?